Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a question coming up here. It's question number 19, and I've got my little pal Rover with me. Hello, Rover. Let's come do this problem with me. Rover's going to help show us how to do a rectangle problem, and what this problem tells us is this. In a certain rectangle, the length is 4 feet more than the width. Find the values W of the width so that the perimeter of the rectangle is less than 100 feet. So come on, Rover, let's go over to the paper. All right, come on with us, ladies and gentlemen, and we will work our way through this problem. And there we are. Okay, look at how cute Rover. Rover, you're so cute. All right, Rover, do you know how to do this problem? Okay, good job, Rover. Now let's all figure out how to do it. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, remember there is a formula for perimeter. Some of you have been taught P equals 2L plus 2W. But sometimes I'll have students come up to me during a test and say, I can't do this problem because I can't remember the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle. All you really need to remember with the perimeter of a geometric shape is you are going to walk around the edges and you're going to add together the lengths of all of the sides. So look at this rectangle. 1, 2, 3, I've got 4W, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 4W plus 8. And you see how I got that is I added these dimensions together. Became 4W plus 8. All right? Now, that is the perimeter, and in this problem, we want the perimeter to be less than 100 feet. So rather than setting up an equation, we're going to set up an inequality. To solve that inequality, we subtract 8 from both sides, which gives me 4W is less than 92. All right? Rover, are you with me on that? Woof, woof! That means yes, he is. Now, what we have to do to finish is we have to divide both sides of this inequality by 4. So, we're going to take 92 and divide it by 4, which I believe is going to give us 23. All right, okay. My wife in the kitchen said, yepers, so we're right on that one. Rover agrees, my wife agrees, I agree, so there's our answer. In this problem, the values of W that would make the perimeter stay less than 100 feet are numbers that are less than 23. Now, there's something that I want to point out to be completely correct in this. Even though an answer like this on the test is acceptable, something that would probably be even better, width has to be a number greater than 0, otherwise it doesn't make sense. So to be perfectly honest, probably the best way to write this answer would be to write that W is some number in between 0 and 23. Because technically, if you write W is less than 23, that can involve negative numbers, and you know we don't want a negative width. So I would personally prefer the answer to be written in this form for this problem. All right, Rover, thanks for your help. Woof, woof.